Hello friends, today we are on a shopping trip to this big British DIY store. This is called B&Q. And after doing a lot of online search and visiting some other places, we have decided to come to this store. We needed some flooring stuff. So this is one of the top British DIY and home improvement retailing company. It's a big store, big place. This company has about 300 stores across UK. And they sell about 40,000 products. Through these stores, and they are present online as well. This company was started in 1969 by two friends, Richard Block and David Boyle. And at the start, they named this company Block and Coyle, last names of those two friends. But later on, the name was shortened, and only the initials of those two surname words were taken, and now it's known as B and Q. As you know, DIY means do it yourself. When you want to do your things yourself, you need some place where you can buy stuff, you can buy tools, and even you can get some know-how, technical guidance. So this is one of those places. It's mainly a self-service store, but there's a lot of staff as well available to help. Customers bring their knowledge, their questions, their measurements, and then staff can help decide how much and what material they need. Very friendly, very comfortable place. You can see this yellow marking on the floor. It's because of these coronavirus restrictions. Usually this place is full of people all the time, but these days only a limited number of people can enter at a time. They sell kitchen, bathroom stuff, gardening, lighting, and a lot of other building stuff, building material. They have big stocks available, so when customers come here, they select their item and they can take it straight away. And it's not just stock, the prices are very good as well, very competitive. There are many other stores as well competing with this one. They open for long hours from 8 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock in the evening. This timing is usually for 6 days. On 7th day they open from 10 to 4, but less time, but still if you want to do your work on weekends, they are available both days. These lamination sheets. On display. British people are used to this DIY concept. People like to do their own things in their free time. One reason may be labor is very expensive here. All these big stores, they have video recordings showing you how to do your stuff. If you are interested in flooring, you can get very good know-how from their videos. There is a huge variety available. These companies produce their own products even. They welcome everyone. Professional builders come here, ordinary people come here. You see only a few people on the floor because of the entry restrictions, and it's late in the evening as well. It's very easy to select and buy things, and if you don't like and you want to return it, returning anything, any product is very easy too. There are separate counters for people who just come here to return the product for any reason. You can see these people in yellow jackets available to help customers. There's very good technical illustration with every product. If you want to buy tiles, they give you a lot of information how to select how many tiles you need. Places like this are a big asset for any country. So the flooring stuff we were looking for, we got it from here, readily available at a very good price. So end of the day, it was a win-win situation for both, for us and for B&Q. It will take you hours to visit all this whole place. Hopefully you enjoyed this tour. Thank you for watching.